Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the exact DVI type on both ends because the pin layout matters. Once done, shut down and unplug both devices to avoid shorts. You then position the monitor close to the PC, align the DVI connector gently, and insert straight without force. Make sure the connector sits flush, then hand tighten the 2 thumb screws to secure it. This prevents wobble and intermittent contact. Keep the cable looped without sharp bends, so strain won't pull the connector loose. Once the physical connection is secure, plug in and power the monitor first, then boot your computer. Many GPUs detect inputs at startup. Make sure you select the DVI input using the monitor on-screen display, since automatic switching sometimes fails. Next, update or install the GPU driver so the system recognizes capabilities like dual-link bandwidth. Then set the display to its native resolution and intended refresh rate. This ensures crisp text and correct scaling without distortion. Now verify the image is stable. Check sharpness, color, and that the desktop fits the screen. Use the OS display controls to fine-tune scaling, then open the monitor OSD to adjust color temperature and brightness for comfort. If the picture is missing or flickering, first power off and reseat both ends. Once done, try a different DVI port or a different cable to isolate the fault. If still failing, test the monitor on another computer to determine whether the cable, monitor, or GPU is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.